everybody, Matthew Morris, MM Wood Studio, and it's time for another shop update. All right, well, right here I have the second cabinet of the two cabinets I was building for the modern nightstand. Now, this cabinet, pretty much about where I was ready to start hanging the drawers, that's when I stopped building this cabinet. I just focused on the first cabinet, got that one done. And now I spent a little bit of time in the shop this week, and I got the drawers nice and hung. Some really great action on those. A little bit of work to do to clean them up, some of the spacing around here, but that's no big deal. Now, since I'm working on this, what that means is all the videos for this class are up online now. I'm jazzed. Every single chapter. Now, the plans are not done yet. I'm working on those. I wouldn't say real close, but I'm in the process of finishing that up right now. So those will be up very soon. I have some really big news. At least to me, I think it's big news. I spent a ton of time getting the school site prepared, whatever you want to call it, ready. I spent a ton of time getting the school site ready for a 14-day free trial. Now, a lot of you guys watch my stuff, maybe follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and you're seeing the projects, and maybe you're interested, and all you see is the updates here, or little videos and snippets that are on Instagram and Facebook, etc. So what I want to do is give you guys total access to watch every single video, every class, every chapter, the whole kit and caboodle for free for 14 days. And if you like it, then you can buy a class. Then you can do the yearly subscription, get access to everything. Go to the website, links down below, check it out. Now, if you do like it, I am running a special right now for $50 off the yearly subscription price. So instead of $150 becomes $100. That coupon code is DEC for December 2018. That's right down here as well. So have a look, give it a shot, see if you like the classes. Otherwise, it's been a really great year. I want to say thank you to everybody who's been watching from day one to day now. I really appreciate every single one of you watching the channel, subscribing, commenting, following me on Instagram, Facebook. Maybe you've bought a class or a yearly subscription. It's just really awesome, and I'm very appreciative of all of it. I really am. So thank you so much to every single one of you out there who does that. That's it. As always, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the like button, share your timeline, and head over to the MM Wood Studio page and like us there as well. And don't forget, that 14-day free trial is out there. Head over to mmwoodstudio.com, sign up for that. No credit card needed, nothing. Watch every single chapter, every single class in the school. See if you like it. If you do, sign up. And if you don't, no hard feelings. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next update. How do I end it like that? No, it's have a great week in your shop.